Dude, this is Davis Puppy Down. And today, I have 2 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, especially for how long this channel's been on, but it's actually been on for a few months. I don't know if that's good or bad. But anyway, I'd like to have a special thanks to Chloe. I'm sorry, Chloe, but I do not know how to pronounce this. I think it's Moise. Sorry, it's just kind of confusing to me. And Crazy Guy 1109, they were the 2 subscribers who I really want to give a thanks to, because it's been amazing. We've just passed this extreme ice storm of the 2014. It was a lot of damage in my yard. I have a tree that just barely fell out my house. I have one that fell on my fence, and lots split in half. One just went I guess I kind of went it was a straight tree. Just curved over. But it was crazy. Our neighbors are crazy, and there's a whole bunch of trees. 70% of the entire damage is because of our 2 neighbors, both sides now. Both sides. Yeah, so it was crazy, but that amazing ice storm. I think most people got their power back last night on Saturday, so it was crazy, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for the glowing voice and the crazy girl 1109. Thank you guys again. If you are not them, you should subscribe to their videos. They are amazing. I could have never felt better. So anyway, I need to see you guys later. Bye!